Listen to me. Say as little as possible. Do you hear me?
Who is he talking to?
This is an opportunity. You will be in the White House, watching what she does all the time.
The president is about to do something that is apocalyptically dumb.
How many times do you have to watch her shove you in front of a moving train?
I am doing everything I can.
Because you bring them on yourself.
Headstone on the grave.
Let me take it as a field reporter.
It could be nothing.
I think we both know it's not nothing.
And I don't want the world to know.
Woman's died.
It's their victim.
You stabbed 40 times? That's premeditated. It's personal.
Yours.
You really think that I could do something like that? You really think it?
Mine.
In here. No end in sight.
He's planning to end our world. And he's not gonna stop.
Hello and welcome to Cine Select. Netflix library in 2026 is a massive landscape of the bold and bizarre. We are moving past the usual being watched drop. Today we are looking at stories that range from dystopian nightmares that feel a little too close to home. We have done the deep diving so you don't have to. Here are the 7 best Netflix series you need to watch right now. At number 7, The Diplomat Season 3.
How many times do you have to watch her shove you in front of a moving train?
I am doing everything I can.
The 3rd season of this political powerhouse recently dropped, and it has shifted from a fast-paced drama into a full-blown constitutional crisis. Starring Carrie Russell as Cat Miller, the stakes have never been higher. Following the shocking death of President Reagan, the world watches as the US government unravels from the inside. Cat finds herself trapped between her duty as an ambassador and a global nuclear crisis involving a missing Russian submarine. It is a sophisticated, smart thriller where a single conversation can be more explosive than a bomb. If you like House of Cards or The West Wing, this is a must-watch series with masterclass in political maneuvering and walk and talk tension. It is a high-speed mix of government secrets and martial drama. At number 6, His and Hers.
You really think it?
Mine. His. Which means someone is always lying.
Freshly released in early 2026, His and Hers is a mind-bending limited series starring John Bernthal and Tessa Thompson. Set in the small town of Georgia, the story follows an strange couple, a detective and a news reporter, who find themselves on opposite sides of a grisly murder investigation. As they hunt for a serial killer targeting women from their past, the series uses a dull narrative structure that makes you doubt everything. It is a claustrophobic whatnot that explores how the secrets of our youth eventually come back to haunt us. If you like Gone Girl or Sharp Object, with dark psychological mind-bender with high suspense, this is must watch. It is gritty. It is Southern Gothic mystery with a trust no one atmosphere. At number 5, Adolescent. This is perhaps the most technically impressive show of the year. Produced by Stephen Graham, Adolescent is a 4-part crime drama where every single episode is filmed in one continuous shot. No cuts, no hidden edits, just raw, real-time anxiety. The plot centers on a 13-year-old boy accused of a brutal murder and the devastating ripple effect it has on his family. By trapping the viewer in these long, unbroken takes, the show creates a sense of dread that is almost impossible to turn away from. If you like the intensity of the bear or the realism of Boiling Point with mix of emotional brutality and technical brilliance, and this is must watch with high tension and real-time drama that feels like a punch to the gut. At number 4, American Primeval. Directed by Peter Berg, this is Netflix's most ambitious western to date. Set in 1857 during the Ottawa War, it is raw, distorted look at the birth of the American race. Starring Taylor Case, the series follows various group pioneers, bounty hunters, and religious militias as they clash in a violent struggle for land and survival. This is not your grandfather's western. It is visceral, bloody exploration of how civilization was built on survival of the fittest. If you like Yellowstone or The Revenant with mix of historical grit and brutal survival action, then it is must watch. It is a sepia-toned nightmare of mud, blood, and frontier justice. At number 3, Black Mirror Season 7.
We'd like to welcome you back.
The legendary anthology returned in 2025 with its most disturbing episode yet. From the long-awaited sequel to the US Callister to Hotel Rivera, a haunting tale about AI-generated likenesses in classic films, the show continues to hold a dark mirror up to our digital obsession. Season 7 focuses heavily on the rewrite of reality, exploring how technology can be used to manipulate our memories and even our love lives. It remains the peak of mind-spinning sci-fi. If you like the Twilight Zone or Inception with ultimate mix of psychological horror and futuristic concept, then it is must watch. At number 2, Stranger Things Season 5. The fall of 1987 in Hawkins of officially here. The first volume of the final season is a cinematic achievement that feels more like a series of blockbuster movies than a TV show. With the military putting the town under lockdown and Wagner preparing his final assault from the upside down, the stakes have shifted from saving a friend to saving the world. The production value is off the chart, featuring massive supernatural battle sequences and a darker, more mature tone than ever before. If you like it or Super 8 with mix of 80s nostalgia, supernatural adventure and high-octane action, then it is must watch. It is epic, emotional and visually spectacular. At number 1, Squid Game Season 3. The global phenomenon concluded its saga with the third and final season that redefined dystopian television. Following Seong Gi-hoon return to the deadly game, Season 3 dived into the true origins of the frontman and the vessels being groomed for the future of the game. The production design is more imaginative. The games are more psychological training and the social commentary is sharper than ever. It is the definitive series of the decade, balancing absolute brutality with a deep study of human desperation. If you like Battle Royale or Alice in Borderland with a masterpiece of dystopian survival and high-stakes suspense, then it is must watch. It is colorful, high-concept nightmare that tests the limits of morality. That is for today. Which of these series are you bringing first? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more movie and series suggestion video. Thank you.